Riverside Marine and Cycle, Miles City, Montana. We've got a nice 2019 Polaris Ranger XP1000 NORTHSTAR. I'm gonna say front tires are like 75–80% tread. Has a full hard cab, heater, wiper, basic street legal kit with blinkers. I'm gonna say roughly 60–70% tread on the rear tires. Has a 4,500 pound synthetic rope winch, tilt assist dump box, heater, air conditioning. This machine's got 7,123 miles, 1,469 hours. Wiper washer kit. Everything works. If you've got any questions, you can always give us a call, 406-232-3300.